Hi friends, myself Subrata Mukherjee, and at the outset I request to copy the problem before you proceed and see the playlist section of the channel to see the earlier videos that I have uploaded. Today we will do a problem on branch accounting.
PK Company Limited, with their head office at Kolkata, invoiced goods to their Mumbai branch at invoice price. The invoice price is 20% less than list price, which is cost plus 100%, with instruction that sales are made at list price. From the following particulars, ascertain the profit earned by the head office and branch. Kolkata head office and Mumbai branch. Opening stock 40,000, 32,000. Purchases 2 lakh dash. Goods sent to branch at cost price 62,500. Next is good received from head office at invoice price 96,000 in Mumbai branch column. Sales 1,70,000 and 80,000. Trade expenses 14,000, 8,000. Stock at head office are valued at cost price, but those at branch are valued at invoice price. We are preparing in the books of PK Company Limited, trading and profit and loss account for the year ended ... So Kolkata HO, and this is Mumbai branch, again Kolkata HO, and this is the branch. So we have opening stock for rupees 40,000 and 32,000. Then to purchase we have 2 lakh dash. Then buy goods sent to branch. Buy goods sent to branch. This will be 62,500. This is the cost price. And what will be the invoice price? 160 by 100. I will explain just now this calculation. So this will be 1 lakh. Now the same amount will be received. So 2 goods sent to branch. In the branch column we are writing here 1 lakh. But the goods received by branch is only 96,000. So there is a goods in transit. So goods in transit will be in branch 4,000. 1 lakh minus 96,000. Then next item is sales. So by sales we have 1,70,000 and 80,000. Okay, and we have to calculate what is the closing stock of goods at head office and at branch. So cost price plus load is equal to invoice price plus load is equal to list price. So this is the equation. Cost price plus load is invoice price. Invoice price plus load is the list price. So cost price is 100, invoice price and the list price is 200. So because list price is 100 or cost 100% of cost price. So this list price is 100. This is the cost price plus 100. This is the profit. So your list price will be 200 rupees. So what is the invoice price? Invoice price is IP is 20% less than the invoice price. So 200 in minus 20% of 200. So this is 200 minus 40. So this will be 160. So invoice price is 160. So what is the load on invoice price? 40 rupees. And what is the load at cost price? This is 60 rupees. So 60 rupees, 100 rupees is the cost price. Your load is 60. So invoice price is 160 plus load 40. So your list price is 200. Now what is the amount of goods sent to branch? How I have calculated? So goods sent to branch. So cost price is rupees 62,500. So what is the invoice price? So invoice price will be 62,500 into 160 by 100. So I have calculated this at rupees 1 lakh. Okay. Now the next is we have to calculate the closing stock. So let us calculate. So calculation of closing stock at head office. So what is the opening stock at head office? So this is at cost 40,000 rupees. Clear? So add amount of purchase made by head office. This is 2 lakh rupees. So total amount is 2,40,000. Clear? Now you deduct goods sent to branch. So this is 62,500 and cost of goods sold. So what is the cost, sale value? This is the 1,70,000 is the sale value, and this is at list price. So this is at list price means 200. So what is the cost price? So 100 by 200, simple. So this is 85,000. So closing stock at branch is 92,000. Closing stock at head office is 92,500. So this is the closing stock at head office is 92,500. I have calculated. Now I will calculate closing stock at branch. And this closing stock at head office is at cost price. This is at cost price, and the closing stock at branch is at invoice price. So let us calculate. So calculation of closing stock at branch. Obviously this is at IP, that is invoice price. So what is the opening stock at branch? Opening stock at branch is at 32,000. Add goods received from HO. So this is 1 lakh rupees. 1,32,000 less invoice price of goods sold. So what is the sale value at branch? 80,000, and this represents 200 rupees because sales is made at the list price. So what is the invoice price? Just you multiply it by 160. So this is 64,000. And what is the amount of goods in transit? Goods in transit we have already shown, 1 lakh minus 96,000. So this is 4,000. So closing stock at branch will be 64,000, and so this is closing stock at branch, and obviously this is at invoice price. Now I put the value of closing stock in the trading account. So in the HO column it will be 92,500, 92,500, and at branch this will be 64,000. So your gross profit will be 1,22,500 and 16,000, and both side total is 3,62,500 and 1,48,000. So your gross profit for HO is 1,22,500 and for branch it is 16,000. So now we have to prepare the trading profit and loss account. So gross profit brought down will be 1,22,500 and 16,000, and trade expenses given at 14,000 and 8,000. So we have to calculate here the stock reserve. So calculation of stock reserve. So stock reserve in closing stock of branch. So this is 68,000, 64,000. This is goods in go down, and 4,000 is goods in transit. So 68,000. So this is at 160, that is the invoice price. So what is the load? So load is 60 rupees. So 60 by 160. So 25,500 is the stock reserve on closing stock less stock reserve in opening stock. In opening stock, so this is 32,000 is the opening stock at branch into 60. 60 is the load. I have already explained. So 100 rupees is the cost price, 60 rupees is the load, and 160 is the invoice price. So 100 divided by 160. So this is 12,000. So stock reserve is 13,500. So 13,500, I will put this value in the profit and loss account. So stock reserve calculated at 13,500, and the net profit will be 95,000 for head office and 8,000 for branch. So both side total is 1,22,500 and 16,000. So this is the trading and profit and loss account in one screen.
Hope you have understood the problem, and I request to subscribe the channel to get regular updates. Thank you.